Hey guys, Tristan here. Today we're going to be putting on a custom front grille for my 2018 Toyota Tacoma. I just bought this thing and we're going to start the upgrades to it. So we're going to put in a DB Customz grill. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It's going to be sweet. Stay tuned. Okay guys, real quick before I put it on, this is the DB Customz front grille that I got it in. It's going to be sweet. A lot better than this cheapy plastic grill. This is metal. I got a pod hole here so I can put in some LED pods. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so the first thing that we're going to be doing on here is we got to remove 4 bolts pretty much. These 2 right here. And then there's a rivet right here. You just got to use a flathead to pop out, and that's going to let this whole grill pop off. Let's do it. Okay, so we're going to start loosening these up. I'll probably fast forward this for you guys, but you're going to loosen those 2 bolts I showed, and then we're going to pop out those rivets.
Now we can just talk about it. I'm just gonna fast forward it. Have like a weird, like, a loud voicemail.
Alright guys, so if you didn't know how to pop open a rivet, these are the rivets that you're going to pop open. Use a flathead, get right underneath it, just kind of twist it up and pull out. There you go. Don't lose these or break them because you're going to need them to tie that thing back down. Okay guys, so there's also 4 more rivets right inside your grill. It's going to be kind of dark to see guys, but there's 4 right along the side. We're going to pop those and then this thing will be able to pop right out. Alright guys, so I just finished taking those 4 off, so now all you have to do is pull this whole thing out. It might make a popping noise, so don't be aroused or be scared of you breaking something, but this just pops out. And then if you have the 2018, like I do, there's going to be a sensor right here that you're going to disconnect. Okay guys, so the thing to press will be right on the bottom side, right where my pointer finger is right here, underneath. You're going to press that and pull. Might be hard for you guys to see this, but you're gonna just press and pull and that'll pop right off of there. And then your whole front grill will dismount right after that. Okay, you just pull, dismount your grill, and there it is. This is trash. If I wanted to, you could just whip it, but you're actually gonna need this part right here. So we're just gonna come over to our table that I have set up. We're gonna set this on there, and we'll go from there, guys. Alright guys, so what you're going to do now is there's a whole bunch of these flatheads. I don't know if you can see that right there, here. You're going to take them all the flatheads out of the whole grill, and you're also going to have these kind of like these little snap pins, all these silver things that you can kind of see. All those things got to be snapped, and those will pop down. And when those pop down, your whole grill will actually pop out of its total insert. So we're gonna pop that out and then we'll get back to you. Okay guys, so we just finished popping all these rivets out and took out the screws. You are gonna have to unscrew your sensor if you have a 2018. It's screwed in right here. There's like 3 or 4 bolts you gotta unscrew and a plug that you gotta take off. Other than that, it's pretty easy. Once you get that done, all you have to do is really just pop the grill out, just kind of push it down, and then it'll pop it out. Let me see here, some of the rivets sometimes go back in there. Now, we don't need this piece anymore. That's trash because we're putting on a new one. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fit our new grill into here. We're gonna put down all these bolts. They're gonna go right through the same holes as the rivets did. We're gonna tighten it down and we'll get right back to you guys, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so we just finished tightening all the bolts down. We went over with nail polish paint so it doesn't come loose. Come a little closer. Nail polish paint all over. Got our speed sensor hooked up. Time to throw this thing back on the truck, so let's bring her over. Alright, so we're gonna put it on. It's gonna be hard for you guys to kind of see, but you'll get the point on how it works exactly. Just find where everything locks up and lines up right. Whoops, a little bit too low. Alright guys, so we just finished putting it the grill back in. It's kind of hard. You got to make sure all these plastic pieces are lined up in the right holes. But eventually, once wiggling, it'll pop back in. We just bolted everything back down, put all the rivets back in the previous holes. The thing, guys, it looks sweet. I hope you guys think it does too. This is definitely worth the price. I'll put the link into the description of where you can pick this type of grill up. I'm gonna close this for you real quick. Yeah, guys, that looks sweet. With that said, I hope you guys like the videos, and we'll continue on with more videos of the mods I'll be doing. Have a great day.